Pay attention.
Alright guys, so I want to talk to you guys about STEM program, the Naval Academy. Okay, so here's the 5 academies, the 5 federal service military academies that you guys probably know. So you guys obviously know about the Naval Academy, United States Military Academy, which is also known as West Point, Air Force Academy, Coast Guard Academy, and Merchant Marine Academy. Okay, so here are 4 pictures of the academy, of the campus. I've been there a couple times. It's really cool to see. So if you guys ever get the chance, I think you guys should visit. It's humongous. You always see midshipmen walking around in the uniforms. It's pretty awesome. Okay, so does anybody know what STEM stands for?
Science, technology, engineering, mathematics.
That's correct. Science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Okay, so here's the 5 reasons why I think you should, guys, attend STEM. So the first one basically says that it exposes you guys to one of the best colleges in the country and one of the best engineering programs in the country. The second, you guys spend time in world-class lab facilities. You guys get to experience real-life application of math and science with hands-on experiments and projects. You guys get to meet a lot of kids who share the same interests as you, so don't feel like you're left out. And then short time at STEM can inspire a lifetime of learning, so maybe after you go to STEM, you might want to go to the Naval Academy, or you might want to do something related to science, technology, engineering, and math. So here's some topics, you guys can read them off the slide, that you cover at the Naval Academy, STEM program. And my favorite was biometrics and robotics. So like we built robots, we programmed them, we were programmed to do whatever we wanted them to, so it was pretty cool to see. Okay, so here's like the schedule that you guys can read off. I have some pictures to show you of when I went. So basically, day 1 is when you get to the airport to the academy. Whichever one you decide to do, that's when I got to the airport, and there was a midshipman waiting for me. Transportation to the academy from the airport, you guys get a ride in the Naval Academy bus, which is pretty awesome. Everybody stares at that bus as you drive by, so it was pretty cool. And then also dorms, you stay in Bancroft Hall, which is the biggest dormitory in the world. It's humongous and it's really nice. So you guys have roommates, you guys stay with 2 or 3 other kids. The second day that you're there, you guys go to the Air and Space Museum, and you get to see all the planes, all the jets. You get to see a space shuttle, and you guys really get to learn about the history of all that stuff, which is pretty interesting. I took a lot of pictures. So, days 3 through 5 is when you work on all of your projects. So as you can see, like different experiments, the robots. You're working with the midshipmen as well as like different officers that are teaching there. So at the same time, you guys are like building things and whatever. Like they're also telling you about like their experiences and how they like the academy and stuff like that. So it was pretty fun. Day 6 is when your family or your friends go to the Naval Academy and you exhibit all of the projects that you've made throughout that week. You put them on display and everybody comes to go see them. And then also that day, there's like a graduation ceremony where they give you a certificate. It just says that you attended STEM at the Naval Academy. And there's a picture of me and my squad leader, and then there's also a picture of me outside the Naval Academy sign where everybody takes pictures. Okay, so here are the STEM sessions, and I talked to your parents about this, so they know about it. But applications open on January 6th, and I told your parents that the earlier you apply, the more of a chance you have of getting in, because when you apply early, it shows that you're really interested, so that looks really good on your part. So as soon as it opens, I suggest that you guys apply. So remember, January 6th. Okay, so at STEM, when you fill out your application, they look for well-rounded kids. So that means like kids with good character, integrity, kids who have good grades, who do well in school. So make sure when you apply that, or up until the time you apply, make sure that you work hard in school, that looks really good. And then it also says geographic representation. That means like kids from all over the country are going to get selected. So kids from all different states, you meet kids from everywhere. It's pretty cool. So tuition, it costs actually went up to $350, but the $350 it includes your room and board, your meals, and all the materials that you use for your experiments. And then each student is responsible for arranging transportation to and from the academy. So let's say you fly in to BWI Airport, they'll pick you up in the bus and they'll take you to the academy. And let's say your parents aren't there for the last day to pick you up from the academy, they'll put you on a bus, they'll take you to the airport, and they'll put you on your plane to get home. Or you can drive to the academy, I don't know if you wanted to do that, you can drive to the academy and you can drive back with your parents, so either is fine. And then know your regional recruiter, blue and gold officer. So that was the former regional recruiter from my area, Lieutenant Eddie Carson. And this is my friend Alberto Mestre, who is currently a freshman at the Naval Academy. I saw him a couple weeks ago, and he was telling me he really likes it. So it was pretty cool to see him get in. So that's pretty much it. Navy has a game today, so go Navy, beat Army, like always. So that's pretty much it. You guys have any questions?
Is there any code that you need to know before going, like Java or HTML or anything like that? So you can go with a fresh start?
Yeah.
Alright.
Any other questions? No, nothing. Sure.
Can you apply more than once to get in?
No, you can only submit one application.
How old do you have to be?
12, stand up. You have to be going into your 7th grade or 8th grade year, I think, yeah.
So the STEM training, is Sea Cadet training? Right?
STEM, no, STEM is open to anybody.
Oh, so no PT.
No, no PT. That's summer seminar. Any other questions? No? Alright, well, that's pretty much it. Thanks, guys.